All right, Matt. Here we go. Sorry, it took. Oh, this is not it. Sorry, it took me a little bit to get this video to you, but yeah, here we go. All right, so this is the property in question, 9830 151st. Yeah. I'll just tell you how it is. I think it's a little overpriced for what it is. I think we have it's just been a little outdated compared to what we're seeing here in the market. But again, market is trending up. So we got high ceilings here. We got a fourth bedroom on top here, which is great. Typically, these are three bedrooms, but without that room above the dining room, it's a without it, it's a three bedroom, but with this cap here, it's a four bedroom. So these were built in the 90s, pretty throughout the years. So yeah, white cabinets, but a little dated. Appliances. I think this is a Korean top. Um, but yeah, very typical 90s home. I do have to see if the siding is an LP siding. It looks like it says cedar, but you just got to double check. Um, but yeah, laundry room, master bed, master suite. The tile is very 90s tile, white tile. So that fourth bedroom back here, which is nice. These bedrooms tend to be pretty good size as well. So good features. Um, nice little deck, little patio paver area. Oh, it's got a little basement area, which is kind of cool. Um, cool. Yeah, it looks like some maybe like a water retention area here. So let's go through some comparables. This one's pending, 550, around the same square footage, four bedroom, two and a half bath in the same area. Um, that went for 22 days, even at 550. So our home is at 600. So and this one shows very similar. Even this one has quartz countertops, and so let's keep going. Three car garage, 320, 625. This one went in 9 days. So even with the three car, I think the square footage is around the same as well. Hargis, 550. Very similar 90s, very similar floor plan. This one's a three bedroom, two and a half bath. Okay, so this one 550. This one sold lower than 550. Okay, so um, this one's all updated, listed at 560. Smaller in square footage, but still four bedroom, two and a half bath. And this one went all the way to 587. So all updated. So I'm thinking, 575 is a fair value right now, or even like 565. That's kind of what I'm kind of coming up with. This one was listed at 515. Yeah, I would say just similar, basic. Nice, this is nicer backyard. 587. Okay, so looks like they're just kind of going top side, and yeah, pretty basic as well. So this one is at 615. So this one's going a little higher, but I think let's see where this. Yeah, it's very similar in location. I think the one over the one that we're in question is right now is 151, which was right over here. So this one's very comparable. Um, this one has a green belt. Oh yeah, the backyard looks, having those pavers in the back. It's nice. Okay, so this one went for 615. Yeah, I just don't. especially with the floor plan. Like this one's nicer. It's got the big formal dining right off to the side there. Um, so this one was on the 640 range, and then it went down to 621. Okay. So yeah, I think if I was to put a valuation, it would be around the 575, 585. Really like it. I don't know if I'd pay 600 for it. I think you can get like low 600s. I think you can get yeah, and they paid $3,600. So that's low. I think low 600. I think you can get a little bit more value for a low 600 larger home. So that's just my evaluation. Yeah. Okay. This one is right on the next street. This one's a couple of square feet larger, a little bit more updated, of course. It looks like this one was at 565. So I have 656. So this one's a little older too. I think this one has private space as well. Yeah. So this one here, I think ours is right here. So very similar in the backyard. But I do know that this particular property right here they're selling this particular property, so that might actually have more homes that come in the future. Let me actually double check that. If it's right behind, yep. So you actually may have homes here in the back. I know that they're selling this property. This church owns this property as well, and I know that this property is for sale. So most likely a developer will buy this, and then you'll have more buildings in the back. So yeah, that's that. I probably would stay in the 575. Someone may come in and buy this, but yeah. All right. Hope that helps. We'll talk to you later. All right. Have a good day.